Want to know a secret about this video? I didn't make it. One AI tool did it all in a single click. So, does that make me a cheater? Everyone's asking if using AI is cheating, if it's ethical. But honestly, I think we're asking the wrong questions. Stick around, because once you hear the real questions I think we should be asking, you might just see the future of creativity differently, forever. Some creators say using AI is lazy. Others say it's the future. Me? I think that both of those statements are true. But why listen to me? Instead, I've got 5 questions I want to ask you so you can decide for yourself. Number 1, is AI really replacing creators? I worked as a photographer for about 8 years. In Photoshop, the pen tool was a frenemy of mine. I spent countless hours cutting subjects out of their backgrounds, zoomed in at 200%. And now, one click on the AI-powered background remover button, and it's basically done. Should I feel guilty about using it? Am I no longer a real photographer because my work's gotten easier? Should I waste precious time doing it myself, manually, just to call myself a real artist? Or is it smarter to use that time for something more fun or to be a more prolific creator? So what if AI isn't replacing creators, but just giving us back our time? But isn't that lazy? Well, that's actually question number 2. What do you think? Is using AI lazy? I've been using CapCut to edit videos for about a year now. At first, it was this shiny new tool that I was eager to learn. But eventually, once I'd established a workflow to create videos out of my stories, the whole process started to feel tedious. Then, I discovered a new AI tool. And yeah, it's the same tool that created the video you're watching right now. And when I started using it, the hours I spent editing suddenly shrunk down to mere minutes. And don't worry, I'll show the tool I'm using in just a bit, but I've got a few more points to make first. There's this stubborn idea that doing things the hard way is somehow more noble. We've romanticized the struggle. Like, unless you've suffered enough, it doesn't count. But maybe that's just old programming. Maybe the real magic of creativity is how you feel while you're creating, not how many late nights and breakdowns it cost you. And let's be real, if tech can free up our time from the boring stuff, why wouldn't we double down on the things we love? Maybe it's not lazy. Maybe it's evolution. Maybe humanity is finally evolving enough to finally let go of the struggle. And if that's lazy, let me ask you this. Just what's wrong with ease and flow anyway? And that leads me to question number 3. What if the real future of work isn't working harder, but creating more of what makes us feel alive? Excuse the cliches I'm about to drop, but we all know to put on our own oxygen masks before we help others, right? And that you can't pour anything from an empty cup? Think about it. Work used to mean surviving, grinding, doing whatever was necessary just to live. Work used to mean struggling with multiple oxygen masks at once while barely breathing, shaking out the last drops and emptying our own cups to fill up corporate and government cups. But what if the next version of work is different? What if you could do work that feels good instead? What if it could make you feel more alive and energized than ever before? What would it be like to spend more time in our zone of genius, creating the kind of flow that keeps your cup filled to the brim? It's not just about producing more. In fact, it's not about productivity at all, though I know that's what sells. It's about feeling good. It's about fun, flow, and freedom. An AI-filled future isn't less human. It's more. But I know you still have more questions, like number 4. Is using AI cheating? The biggest argument anti-AI creatives stand behind is that many models were trained on copyrighted materials. Well, guess what? I was trained on copyrighted materials too. I buy books and learn from them. I watch movies and I'm influenced by them. I quote my favorite characters all the time. Don't you? There's not a creator on this planet that hasn't regurgitated someone else's work in one way or another. So what are we really afraid of? That AI will learn faster? That we can create faster ourselves as a result? Or is it that we'll have to admit that advancing technology has always shaped creators? And every time technology advances, human creativity levels up. Which brings me to the question I'm most excited about. Number 5. What if AI is the beginning of something bigger? What if it's actually unlocking a renaissance we've only just begun to imagine? If we zoom out even further, every major leap in technology brought a creative explosion. The printing press, the camera, the personal computer. None of them ended creativity. They unleashed it, enriched it in new and wonderful ways. And AI? AI isn't the end of creativity. It's the beginning of a superpowered, deeply human renaissance. The real question isn't if using AI is cheating or if it's lazy or even unethical. It's, are you ready to create more of what you love more of what you do, and live more fully and freely than any generation before you? Because the next renaissance isn't just coming, it's already here. And if you're watching this, you're already part of it. If you want to see exactly how I'm using AI to supercharge my own creativity without losing my soul, subscribe to learn more about the exact tools that are making it possible. Oh, and don't worry, I didn't forget. The tool I use to turn my voiceover into the fully visualized video you just watched is called revid.ai. And if you want to see it in action, check out this quick tutorial right here to watch me make a music video out of a song in practically one click.